Ordinary aloo paratha takes an extraordinary twist, making it a hit among all other lunch boxes. Perfect monsoon evenings ushered in with the mouth-watering aroma of samosas sizzling till they turn the perfect golden brown color. A happy end to a long day with the heavenly waft of the bhaturas puffing up in the gurgling golden syrup. There is one ingredient that binds all these nuances of joy together, and what can be termed as an ingredient of happiness. India's kitchen king, Dalda Vanaspati.
When anyone talk about strong Indian brands, the mention of Dalda is inevitable.
Dalda is always there in my kitchen. It's an all-rounder just like me.
If kitchens are the engines of Indian households, Dalda is the fuel that keeps it running.
This is the story of the king of Indian kitchens, Dalda Vanaspati. Inside Out, the legacy of trust.
Dalda indeed is one of India's oldest and strongest brands. There are many brands which have been there for decades and going strong, but we can think of only a few which have lasted eras. And the fact that a cooking medium brand belonging to FMCG sector has lasted this long itself speaks volumes about the credibility and reliability of Dalda Vanaspati.
भाई साहब एक डालडा देना ना।
This pack of Vanaspati is definitely not Dalda. There is no trademark yellow container, neither the iconic palm tree. Yet, this definitely displays the impact of the brand Dalda on the minds of the Indian consumers. Dalda has such an overwhelming prominence, making most people believe that Dalda and Vanaspati are the same.
It's a rare achievement in the world of brands, wherein a brand and a product become synonymous. It's almost like Xerox. We all know that it is a brand of a photocopier, but nobody requests a photocopy. People request a Xerox. Same is the case with Dalda Vanaspati. Dalda is a brand name, and Vanaspati is a product. But for most Indians, Vanaspati is Dalda.
डालडा इज आवर फेवरेट। डालडा में ही खाना है, डालडा में ही बनाना है।
For me, Dalda is like little taste of childhood. As soon as I taste it, it kind of transports me back to those days when mummy and dadi for the festivals, they used to cook together in the kitchen. They used to fry snacks, sweets. I remember it used to smell beautiful.
Ghee was an expensive product that was used sparingly and occasionally in households over weekends or when preparing a special delicacy or when we have guests at home. The challenge for Dalda in the initial years was to drive home the point that it looked like ghee, it tasted like ghee, and it had all the properties similar to that of ghee when it comes to cooking any kind of Indian delicacy.
It's the 1930s. Desi ghee or clarified butter prepared from cow's milk was the only option available to Indians for cooking purposes. That's when vegetable oil or Vanaspati was imported to India as a more affordable substitute to Desi ghee. 1931, Hindustan Unilever acquired rights to make Vanaspati ghee in India and incorporated the Hindustan Vanaspati Manufacturing Company. 1937, Dalda was born, and that was the beginning of the era of a new brand. A brand that went on to rule the roost of the edible oil market for the next decades to come. In the year 2003, when Bunge acquired the brand Dalda from Hindustan Unilever, Bunge India implemented the highest level of quality control and production measures, on par with international standards, thus further bolstering the trust that Indian mothers have always placed on Dalda. In a dynamic marketplace like India, rarely would you find a brand that has ruled for more than 4 decades with no competition. That brand is Dalda.
डालडा हमारे परिवार में पीढ़ी दर पीढ़ी चला आ रहा है। मेरी माँ भी डालडा में खाना बनाती थी, मैंने भी डालडा में खाना बनाया है और मेरी दोनों बहुएं भी डालडा में खाना बनाती हैं।
With a unique product coupled with a multi-pronged marketing strategy that included short film screenings in theatres and stalls to spur sampling, the manufacturers left no stone unturned to promote Dalda as a nourishing, credible, and most importantly, an affordable alternative to ghee. What they didn't anticipate is the fact that Dalda will eventually become a part of India's culinary culture.
At Bunge, we are very proud of this fact that Dalda is India's Vanaspati.
But what makes Dalda Vanaspati a favorite for decades now is the uncompromising ethics that make sure the best quality for each of its loyal consumers.
We started off with the first one by setting up a state-of-the-art plant in Kandla factory where we produce the product from start to the finish.
The process of ensuring the highest levels of quality begins in Kandla, the port city of Gujarat.
Bunge, one of the oldest and biggest agri-commodity and processing firm, put huge emphasis on the manufacturing. The plant where we are standing today is one of the example for that. When we acquired the Dalda plant, the Trichy in Tamil Nadu plant was part of that acquisition. We also have one more plant in the Rajpura, Punjab, which is the part of our acquisition. We also commissioned this plant in 2013.
Our plant is spread in 65 acres with 40% built-in area.
The imported edible oil unloaded at the port has to undergo rigorous quality checks even before it can enter Bunge's edible oil refining facility at Kandla in Gujarat.
Every bit of our operations is designed keeping this in mind and ensure that the highest standards of quality and purity are met in addition to the FSSAI requirements and the FSSAI 22000 standards. The multiple checks and measures that we carry out in manufacturing operations and the periodic testing in external FSSAI approved labs covering more than 50 parameters ensures that we offer the best-in-class products to our consumers.
The process of transforming raw edible to Dalda Vanaspati is quite a complicated one. It starts from acquiring the right quality of oil needed to afford the highest level of quality and purity of Dalda Vanaspati. The raw edible oil is largely sourced from approved vendors meeting quality parameters as per FSSAI and Bunge's stringent requirement. The oil is then transported and unloaded in automated control storage tank in the tank form. The raw edible oil is subjected to multiple levels of refining, filtration, purification in order to remove the impurities. And then the process of hydrogenation under control condition that leads to formation of trans fat. Trans fats are harmful to the health. Therefore, Bunge follows a special and stringent process to mitigate the trans fatty acid formation to the lowest possible level. And I can assure you that the trans fat level in Dalda Vanaspati are in accordance with the government directive. We strictly implement FSSAI and FSSC 22000 standards at every stage of refining. Over the years, the process of making Vanaspati has also improved the product quality and nutrition. The thing is that the regulatory standards were different earlier. Credit must be given to FSSAI for their continuous quest in improving quality and health standards, not only for Vanaspati but also for the other food items. Indian regulation recognize trans fat, which is also a global standard to decide health of a food item. Over the last decade or so, trans fats level has been going down, and Dalda has been at the forefront of this moment. Dalda is fortified with vitamin A and vitamin D to make it nutritious cooking medium. Fortified Dalda is converted into grainy form close to ghee by using a special crystallization process. The Dalda packed in flexible pouches, jar, tins are then stored in cold rooms, which are designed to convert liquid product into final form said grainy Dalda.
We are continuously improving our existing systems, not only in refinery and packaging, but also in storage by using vertical space. Vertical space is used using automatic pick and place system, maintaining FIFO.
With such humongous production capacity of Dalda Vanaspati every day, it's a robust supply chain management that ensures the right delivery at the right place at the right time, every time, 24/7, 365 days a year.
Here I should mention that we have been highly successful in transferring the knowledge and skill set over the last 75 years to ensure that every grain of Dalda Vanaspati that we offer to our consumers is crafted with personal care and touch to live up to the trust our consumers have placed on us.
What you might see as a truck full of Dalda Vanaspati is in reality much more than that. It's a truck full of happiness, flavors, and above all, taste and purity for millions of Indian households, waiting to pick up their next supply of Dalda Vanaspati from their local grocery stores. But the road hasn't always been smooth for Dalda. The brand that enjoyed a monopoly in the edible oil category was plagued by controversies in the late 80s and early 90s. Right from being accused of being fake ghee to being blamed for using animal fats, with the most recent accusation of the category being high in trans fat levels.
Dietary fats can be divided into three types: saturated fats, unsaturated fats, and trans fats. Trans fats, world over, the various bodies have recommended the consumption of trans fat should be as low as possible. In India, although most of the food items contain trans fat in the range of 0 to 5%, that can be considered to be as safe.
Government also progressively reduced the level of trans fat in the category, and today it has gone down from a high of 40% to almost below 5% trans fat, and in fact Bunge produces the product which is way below the government standards. We are also looking at an option whereby we are looking at a trans fat free version in the years to come. This would mean a significant change and a step change in the category whereby a product will be as healthy as the refined oils, if not better.
I very well remember in 1990s there was massive rumor mongering against Dalda. Dalda must have lost a number of its patrons then, but we stuck to it because for us the proof was in its eating, and thankfully today we have been proven correct.
During this journey, we did come across some misconceptions, some misunderstanding, some controversies around the category that got attached to the brand. But our constant endeavor to keep doing the best for our consumers, keep improving, and immense trust of our consumers not only prepared us to face these challenges, but actually made us grow.
The success story of Dalda has multiple facets to it. And one of them is a vibrant and cost-effective distribution system. With its availability in close to 500,000 retail outlets in India, Dalda is among the most widely available Vanaspati. And this has been possible thanks to the relentless coordinated efforts by around 1,500 distributors, 400 distributor salesmen, and a robust Bunge sales team. From festive delicacies to lunch boxes, and from kitchen tables to dining rooms, Dalda has ensured sumptuous meals and sunny smiles for generations of Indians together. It has ensured flavorful food that's trusted by mothers, and most importantly, food that's garnished with a hint of nostalgia.
बचपन से ही हम लोग को डालडा में खा खा के बड़े बड़े पले हुए.
It is this overwhelming response and faith that inspired Bunge to launch a multitude of edible oils under the same brand name Dalda. Besides ruling the Vanaspati market, Dalda today enjoys a sizable market share in the soya-bean, sunflower and mustard edible oil sectors.
Bunge is a global Fortune 500 company and a giant in the agri-commodities and the food space. Its operation spans more than 40 countries, 31,000 plus employees, and turnover of almost $50 billion. Bunge as a company actually is more than 200 years old. There's something which we are doing right for so many years that we have not only survived, but thrived. One of the reasons for existence actually is the fact that we have a set of core values and we hold them very dear to our heart. One of the values which is very dear to us actually is safety. We do believe that no amount of money can compensate for the loss of a life or a limb. And that's why safety over production and profit. Bunge in fact participates in the entire value chain right from the farm to the kitchen. We own sugarcane fields, we in fact own ships, we have ports, we have grain elevators, we have oil crushing plants and the brands. One of the reasons which we are so successful is the fact that the trust which we are able to get from the consumer by owning the entire value chain. In India, we are more known by our brands than by a corporate name Bunge. We own a plethora of successful brands like Dalda, Chambal and Gagan. In fact, when people ask me where do I work, I tell them Bunge, and that's sort of a surprised look on their faces. And then I tell them I work for Dalda or Chambal, depending on which part of country I'm in, and that's, oh wow, you work for this brand? That shows the amount of trust which people have in our brands and what they believe for our brands. We're committed to grow as a company in a very responsible manner, taking care of all our stakeholders, be it the society where we operate in, our consumers, the stakeholders from the government side, and the shareholders.
Corporate social responsibility has been an integral part of Bunge India since it came into the country. We do a lot of corporate social responsibility which is beyond the requirement of law. We identified 3 areas which is the core of Bunge corporate social responsibility policy, which is education, primary health and empowerment of women.
Taking a step further, Bunge India has also adopted a village in the Palghar district of Maharashtra to address the issue of water shortage and help the local farmers with their mogra plantation. And not just that, With the intent of contributing to the growth of the society, Dalda often organizes cleanliness drives across markets and mandis. With participation from local retailers and wholesalers, these drives have been a huge success for both Bangay and society at large. In a country where festivities are an almost daily affair and celebrations need no reason in particular, India is feasting all the time. With cuisines and cooking styles in abundance, a lavish spread of delicacies is a certainty for all revelries. And as they say, no delicacy is tasty unless it's garnished with mother's love and made in Dalda.
आज भी मुझे याद है कि इन्होंने पहली कमाई मेरे हाथ में दी। मैंने उसे सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए डालडा में जलेबी बनाई।
जहाँ तक बात है मेरे किचन की, मुझे कभी कोई चिंता नहीं होती है क्योंकि डालडा हमेशा मेरे साथ मौजूद रहता है।
डालडा की डिब्बे की शेप चेंज हुई है, लेकिन आज भी उसकी जगह हमारे किचन में वहीं पे।
From being a companion of mothers who care to ensuring happiness, smiles and celebrations for generations together, this was the story of Dalda.